London opens, price starts to breathe. New York follows with heat underneath. Reading structure, steady and clean. ICT flow in every screen. Signal shift, momentum grows. Algorithm shows where it goes. V-trades, watch the charts ignite. Sniper entries hidden right. Funded profits rising bright. Building strength in every night. Follow flow, ignore the noise. Structured moves, intentional choice. Let the chart reveal the way. V-trades growing day by day. V-trades growing day by day. Institutional rhythm moves slow. Liquidity tells where price will go. Building accounts with patient plays. Consistency defines our day. Signal shift, momentum grows. Algorithm shows where it goes. Watch the charts ignite. Sniper entries hitting right. Funded profits rising bright. Building strength in every night. Follow flow, ignore the noise. Structured moves, intentional choice. Let the chart reveal the way. V-trades growing day by day. Trades growing day by day. Precise. Welcome to V-Trades.
Hello, hello. Hope everyone is doing good and can hear me fine. So we'll be backtesting Nasdaq. Just like usual, we are doing it for 27th of January 2023. And right now we are about to start the London session. This is the opening range gap from yesterday. The reason I still have this is the fact that the lower quadrant is still unfilled while it is filled fully on ES. So let's see. Currently 1:34 is the time. We'll wait for the opening range for London session, which is 1:30 to 2 a.m. Let's just do this. And I'm looking this fair value gap as the first presented fair value gap for the opening range. If you guys have any questions, you guys can hit me up in chat. Let me know how you guys are planning to interact with the market next year. I did not want it to be the first presented video. This should be fine. 20 minutes away from London Open. If you use ICT concepts to read price action, I would say do have all of these annotations. This really helps a lot. And do watch ES and NQ both. No matter if you only trade ES or NQ, but do watch both of them. I like the way it is supporting the opening range gap there. Fine. I shared the details of yesterday's backtesting on my Discord channel. It's a free server, so if you guys want to join, you guys can find the details in the description. So now we are in macro and seeing some sort of retracement into this sell side move. Which I think will be continued, but the price should refer midnight open price again. We've got nice 5-minute inefficiency there. Getting some 15 minutes CB as well in the next 3 minutes with London Open. It will be really fun if the this session is interactive, so feel free to drop some messages. So 2 o'clock London opens here. It's always good to know new traders, especially ones trading NQ or ICT concepts. For too high time frame there. Okay, 5 minutes. Still expecting some downward, I would say. Let's see. I would like to see some premium sensitivity around midnight open price. Let me know how you guys think that the market will trade towards. I am bearish. Let's see. And I want some premium to sell or add my short. We've got high impact news driver at 8:30. So we are trading January 27th, right? 8:30, 8:30, 8:30. So three high impact news driver. And 10 a.m. we have got three medium impact news drivers. It is always very important to refer the economic calendar for the day. Otherwise you will be wrecked. And try to build a narrative using that information. Let me know if you guys want me to speed this up a little. We should 2 seconds. All right, good push there. I want some premium to sell this. Activate. Hey, Gagan. No, that's not a dumb question. I've never actually tried FX replay, to be honest. And it's all about your, preference and comfortableness, I would say. So just stick to FX replay if it works for you. I usually do my, tracking of the accounts and everything on TradeZilla. So yeah, see, this is why I wanna wait. I wanna wait until 250 at least, or if we are given some, continuation of the sell model before that, because I am basically considered about the fact that we did not really trade even into this inefficiency after the open. So we can take the Asian high before we start trading lower. And can you add sessions or like, indicators over FX replay? I really need an indicator of daily highs and lows. Here, I do have it on TradingView. Do we have session indicators and daily highs and lows? If you can let me know about that, it will be a huge favor. Because I've heard that FX replay is pretty cheap, and they've also got that prop firm simulation. That will be really nice. And this is the reason I wanted to wait to short this, not want to short initially, because it usually moves in one direction until 3:30, and sometimes even 4, and then the market opens for electronic trading hours, and then yeah, it drops. That's the usual market profile for London session that I've seen from 2 a.m. till 5 a.m. Speed this up a little. It okay, but TradeZilla also allows you to go to sessions, specific sessions from here. I might give it a try though. All right, now this looks tempting. Yes, it's losing support from yesterday's first presented fair value gap. We are around 250 macro as well. I've taken a small loss around here, I think. Tried to long it. I'm shorting it, taking this high as my stop. I would like to take. First quadrant of the opening hedge gap should be lowest hanging fruit if we are right for the day. But we have also got the 8:30 news driver, so we can be manipulating higher for for whole day before 8:30 news driver. Looks like we are offside there. Right, stop out. 252. We are inside macro and looks like we are going to be making our highs for the day. We'll be dropping low from here as well, to be honest. Uh, because we've got the news driver, I think we won't be dropping before that now. Let's see how it reacts here. Around midnight open price. Prefer to high time frames here. 5 minutes is what this will see. 15 minutes. It's not this. This will be just untested. Alright, I'll slow this down and see. What it is trying to tell us. How do you guys read the market from here? You guys think it is going to be sweeping it lower? जी गगन भाई हिंदी बोलते हो? Looks like it is going to be slab lower. Because the ES has already taken these lows while NQ has not. I'm happy to short this now. Let's say बेहतरीन बेहतरीन पंजाबी नहीं आती यार but let's see. These should not close above the midnight open price there. It respected it there. I'm going to speed this up a little. Doesn't look good, to be honest. Yep, the way it respected the consequent encroachment of midnight open range there. Doesn't look good. So, Gagan, what are your current challenges right now in trading, do you think? Like, like if we talk about me, mine are over leveraging, over trading, not booking, like not booking my days on small losses, things like that. So now this trade looks good. I would like to reevaluate my targets here. I will take it off here. I don't know, hardly we have got nothing. No worries, no worries. Take care, have fun, and stay safe. Alright, good push lower. He has made lower low for the day there. $322. I would like to move my stop break even, to be honest, because this looks like SMT divergence. Please reduce the risk there. Don't like that push. So three stop losses for this session because I took one earlier before starting the stream. Like to take one more as a long. Need some sort of discount, which I think it won't be providing us. Should be enough. Incorporate this right now. Taking Asian times. Basically dating. To speed this up now. All right, first losses for this session. I'm going to stay offside for the rest of London session now. So this the macro. This is basically Friday. This price action doesn't make any sense to me. This ascending triangle piece of shit. Which is about to be broken to the upside, trapping all the retail. Short. So it stop because didn't I incorporate this break? Okay, I got stopped up. This one. Alright, this London session was really shit to be honest. I'm going to speed this up until 8:30. going to grind it higher until 8:30 news driver and then drop it lower. Six o'clock. Seven o'clock. Alright, this looks like a proper move now. Not to be part of this. Sold it off early. Let's speed this up. Eight o'clock now. I might be doing the opposite delivery until 8:30. Using time is really important. So 5 minutes away, I'm going to slow it down. 1 minute away. Alright, stop down. Took the high there. I'd like to short it. Once the Y side is completely damaged. Yes, did not make higher highs for the day. Looks like ES wants to sweep the highs. like to show them now. It is Friday. Let's check the weekly candle. Okay. I would like to take news though as my target. So it's some background music. Looks good. This is about to sweep the news flow there. $9 o'clock. I'd like to move my stop break even there. Because I think they can do one more buy side delivery around market open, and then start dropping lower. Right, 9-10, dropping lower. I would really like my targets to be filled before 9:25, otherwise I will close my position. Nine 23. I'll close it here. And I'd like to go along here. That is the opening range gap trade as well. Respected the midnight open price very beautifully. Next minute is open, expecting it to sweep the highs. We have got the market open there. This is the opening range gap for today. Alright, let's play it out. Might get slapped around the consequent encroachment. Alright, last two trades have been decent wins, thankfully. We've got 3 medium impact news driver as well. Hey people, it's really fun to know other traders, so if you guys can make it interactive. We have got the chat section for a reason, guys. I've also made a free Discord, which is mainly focused on ICT learning. You can find the link in my description of this live stream. I would like to short this now. Seeing the reaction on ES, I think it might be too early. But yeah, let's give it a shot. That's not good. And it is things like these that I really need to work on. I go really impulsive, then waste my profits like this because there was no point of taking that trade. It was just the retest of the high of opening range gap there. And midnight open price. Oh, yes. Now we are seeing some slack. Going to wait. Speeding it up a little. Looks like it is going to be one continuation there towards the higher side. My side liquidity on the daily chart that I mentioned earlier. Looks like that. Taking yesterday's high there. Thank you. Yes, it's still not done that. Yes, takes yesterday's highs as well. Inside metro now, 9:50. Alright, looks like good reaction here. So we're going to wait. Well, I think it is going to be a continuation there. Ten o'clock. The news driver. It looks like it is going to keep grinding for the whole morning session. going to wait. If this holds bullishly, I'm going to tag along here. Yeah. I think this low is my stop. Risky trade, to be honest. Yeah, you have the standard deviation morning range. Okay. Let's see. It's going to speed this up. Two back-to-back stop out in this session. Not really good day. I'd like to see premium sensitivity of this beverly gap. No. if I get stopped out here, this is going to be my last trade for this day. All right, okay, I'm done here. Thank you for being here. And if you trade Nasdaq or ICT concepts, join my free Discord. You can find the link in my description of this live stream. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you found any value in this live stream, do give it a like, and I'll see you guys soon. Until then, take care, happy holidays, and yeah, stay safe.